name's Olivia. I have been coming here since I was a little girl. Whenever I turned 17 years old, I started working here. I love Babes because of the family aspect. We're all a big family.
Oh man, this is the best chicken you'll ever find. We've been coming here now for about 15 years.
It's always fun to come down to Babes, and Roanoke's one of the food capitals of Texas.
You have 4 generations here in this family. Have dinner here at Babes.
I worked at Babes when I was about age 17. Back then, Babes was one of the only restaurants in Roanoke, and it was the best place to work. Now, almost 20 years later, my daughter works here as well at Babes. I was super excited, and then of course I wanted to dig out my old photos to show her.
It's been a lot of hearing fun stories from my mom about doing the hokey pokey and just the fun culture at Babes that really led me to find a place at home here. We do have a picture hanging in the store now too, over this way. If you want to see it.
They framed it?
Yes.
I can't wait. There it is.
Yes.
I love it. Look, what's funny is I didn't tell her to pose like that, and she did the same pose as me.
Yeah.
We have a very special guest now today. We have John celebrating his 21st birthday today.
My name's Ava. I've been coming here since I was a kid, and I always just remember having a great time playing with the jukebox and everything in there. And it's just really exciting for me to get to see people make memories like I did, and I love seeing little kids come in and people with their families, and it's really exciting that I get to be a part of that.
The guests, the employees, getting to come to work and see these people and be a positive influence in their life every day means a lot to me, and here we are today.